How to compare holiday season performance in Putler. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to compare holiday season performance. Let's get started. First, go to Putler's Insights Dashboard. Here, you'll find a detailed report of your holiday insights. It helps you understand how your business performed during the holiday period. Using this Insights dashboard, you can compare holiday season performances and then use that insight to plan a more powerful holiday campaign for the upcoming holiday season. Let's dive into how to use this dashboard. At the top right corner, you'll see two date range selectors. You can choose any 2 years to compare your performance year over year. I'm choosing 2024 versus 2023. In this report, you'll come across two important terms, holiday and non-holiday holiday, which includes 15 days in total: Halloween, 3 days, Thanksgiving, 7 days, and Christmas, 5 days. These are days when you usually run longer promotional offers. Non-holiday covers all other days outside these 15. This helps you see how your business performed during regular period. Now, explore revenue during the holiday season. Here you can compare your revenue for both 2024 and 2023 side by side. See which year performed better and use that insight to plan your next holiday campaigns. As you can see, 2023 performed better. You can look at what offer did you craft that year, what promotions did you do, what type of emails you sent that year, and use all this information while planning your upcoming holiday campaign. Next, you'll see the best segments section for each year. A bar graph shows which holiday, Halloween, Thanksgiving, or Christmas performed the best in terms of sales. In this example, Thanksgiving brought the highest revenue in both years. You can take inspiration on what made Thanksgiving a better holiday and try to implement a similar strategy for the rest of the holidays next. Now let's go deeper into the Insights widgets. Each widget compares holiday versus non-holiday data for both years. Here, 2023 shows stronger performance. Analyze what worked then, maybe your email campaigns, social ads, or product bundles, and reuse those ideas this year. You'll see metrics in detail like daily average, ARPU, visitors, conversion rate, and new versus returning customers. Please note, the green labels make it easy to identify which year performed better, whether it's 2024 or 2023. Finally, scroll down to the holiday season comparison report. This part is divided into 3 sections: Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. For each section, you'll see detailed stats such as sales, AOV, average order value, daily average, ARPU, conversion rate, and top 3 products. Use these insights to repeat successful offers from high-performing periods and try them during slower months. You can also extend your offers for 2 to 3 extra days and promote them strongly on social media or emails using scarcity and urgency triggers to drive more sales. You can see here that 2023 performed better for me, so I'll try to apply similar strategies for current campaigns. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out our other helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.